Hey guys, welcome back to South Cuba. Today I've got another one of my Rubik's Cube tutorials. This is going to be part 1 out of 2 of how to do all 7 OLL cross cases. In this one, I'm going to be telling you the 3 easiest ones. So this video is going to be for people who want to learn a more advanced method from beginner's method to CFOP. This is the second stage of CFOP, not including the cross. And yes, just to help you get more advanced at the Rubik's Cube. So yeah, without further ado, let's start the video.
This is the first case. You have the blue cross done, or like whatever color cross you have, and a corner over here. So I'm going to give you a show around of how it looks. And now I'm going to be teaching you the algorithm. You have to hold it with the blue cross at the top and do R, U2, R prime, U prime, R, U prime, R prime. That will lead you to your PLL. Now the next algorithm will be right now. This next algorithm is the exact reverse of the algorithm I just showed you. This is one of the easiest algorithms in the whole cube you need to learn. Here it goes. R, U, R prime, U, R, U2, R prime. So that was how you do the absolute reverse of what we just did. Now the next case I'm going to be showing you right now. Now this case is also a pretty easy one. So you have the cross like this, and these corner pieces over here facing like headlights. And now to do this algorithm, you have to do F, R, U, R prime, U prime, R, U, R prime, U prime, R, U, R prime, U prime, F prime. See, that was really easy because you just repeat the same concept in the middle. So guys, that was part 1. Hope you guys enjoyed. I hopefully will upload the second part next week. So see you all next time. Goodbye.